Hello and welcome to this PRISMA tutorial. My name is Frederick, and in this video I will explain to you how short-term competing auctions take place on the platform. Just before we start, since this is a theoretical approach, I will not use any units since they are not relevant for the understanding. Our initial situation is the same as in the introduction video. We have two bundles created from 3 points, AB and AC. The total capacity auction for point A is 100, for point B is 40, and for C is 90. This results in a competition for the 100 capacity on the entry point A. This is the so-called competition constraint. Let's look at the individual auctions that will take place. In the auction for bundle AB, where 40 are available, shipper X bids for a maximum capacity of 40 and a minimum of 2 for a surcharge of 1. For bundle AC, we have 2 bids. Shipper Y bids for a maximum of 80 and a minimum of 22 for a surcharge of 2, with shipper Z bidding for a maximum of 50 and a minimum of 4 for a surcharge of 1. The first thing the platform will do when the auction is closed is an intermediate evaluation of both auctions. Since these are short-term auctions, the uniform price algorithm will be applied. Accordingly, shipper X gets all of the available capacity of 40 for bundle AB, shipper Y will receive 80 and shipper Z 10 capacity of the available 90. Afterwards, the platform consolidates both auctions, since it is a competing auction. Now the overall available capacity is 100, the maximum capacity of entry point A. Again, according to the uniform price algorithm, the bids are evaluated. Since shipper Y was willing to pay a surcharge of 2, their maximum is fully allocated. The remaining capacity of 20 is then allocated according to the rules of the CAM network code. The pro rata allocation results in an 80-20 split. This means shipper X is allocated 16 and shipper Z 4 capacity. The clearing price is then determined by the lowest surcharge, in this case 1. The consolidation of the two separate auctions can cause some confusion, since some shippers are not aware of the auctions which are in competition with the one they are taking place in. A typical question we receive is, why did I not get capacity when my surcharge was 2 and someone was allocated capacity with a surcharge of 0? Let's take the setup from before, but this time shipper X bids for his capacity with a surcharge of 0, and in the auction for bundle AC, shipper Z only bids for a capacity of 10, and a third shipper bids for 20 capacity with a 0.5 surcharge. In the intermediate individual evaluation of the auctions, shippers X, Y and Z will be allocated their capacity as before. The third shipper at bundle AC does not receive any capacity due to the uniform price algorithm. In the consolidation of the auction, shipper Y will be allocated 80, shipper Z 10 and shipper X 10 capacity. And due to shipper X having won his auction with a 0 surcharge, the clearing price is determined at 0. If you are unsure why your surcharge is higher than the clearing price, please look at the individual results of the competing auctions. I hope I could provide you with helpful information, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the PRISMA customer care team. My name is Frederick, and I wish you a pleasant day.